up, snipers? Stock Sniper Nick here, and tonight we're going to be going over the watch list for tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday, September 2nd. Welcome, September. We had an awesome August. It was actually our best trading month of the year. Let's go, snipers. Wouldn't want to do it with anyone else besides our team. If you guys are new to this, every Tuesday night we get together and we go over the top 4 to 6 stocks that we're watching for tomorrow morning, the ones with actual big potential the next morning. Before we do dive in to those 4 stocks, tonight we actually have 4 OTC stocks on the list. I want to give a quick shout out to our sniper chat room. We had an amazing day today. Even on days like this, when there wasn't as much action, the snipers got to take full advantage. On our sniper account, we were able to bag over $200 in Gaxi. This was a nice dip buy, which is one of the patterns we like to play when it lines up really nicely. And we played a nice dip buy on Gaxi. And in the next 10 minutes, we were able to profit over $200. And the play ended up continuing later. We really didn't get to sell exactly where we wanted, but we took the quick money and we took what was there. So that was nice. And then in the chat, we had some good bags throughout the day. To close out today, Jay Mendez is up 206 in NWBO, which is this stock that we're in overnight, which we'll talk about. And he's also looking at WLL, which one of our awesome snipers, Sauce Boy, pointed out. We had Kroll Daddy bagging $100 on AXXA today. Let's go, Kroll. Sniper Muffin on AMTX after they came out with their news article. He reacted on the big spike and was able to take advantage there. And our boy John Crosby had a $135 bag in AXXA. So good job, guys. And those are just some from the day. And we got a big month to look forward to in September. All right, now that we took the time to appreciate the hard work and the wins, let's go ahead and let's get started for our day tomorrow. So let's dive into the watch list. We got 4 stocks on the watch list. We're actually in one overnight, and we're up pretty well. And that's NWBO. We really like this stock because it's coming up to its 52-week breakout of 41.9. So it hasn't been there all year. NWBO also came out with news this morning saying that they purchased a therapeutics company called Flashworks Therapeutics. This morning after they got the news, NWBO just uptrended to lead us into zoning in on this in Power Hour and making our buy. So let's go into the 1 day, 1 minute. What it looked like as we were buying this stock. We're coming up to Power Hour, which is our time that we love to buy, and this stock had a pretty tough resistance up here at 37.9. However, it was uptrending all day, even though kind of sloppy. This is 3 times its average volume, which we like to see in the criteria, and it's also trading $2 million volume, so that's lining up as well. So as it's coming up to its resistance, we see that big bidders start to stack towards Power Hour, and in Power Hour they really start to creep up. This also has support down here at 37, where the VWAP is as well. So we decided, let's go ahead and let's take the risk, and we swung, and we went ahead and grabbed 12,000 shares right here at 37.8 in anticipation of the Power Hour high, and then a push to the breakout. And check this out, guys. If we zoom out and we check out the rest of the day, as you can see, this is right where we bought it at 330. Boom. Check this out. When NWBO makes a new high a day, it has an awesome push, and this push actually already threatens the 52-week high. Actually closes just off of it, touching 41 and closing right around there, 407. So when this made a new high a day, it pushed exactly what we love to see, and it held the push into the close. So we have a really nice cushion. We're actually up $370 on this. And we're looking for this to gap up over the 52-week high and then push in the morning as it's over that multi-month 52-week resistance, so we can sell into buyers and be able to bag this nicely in the mid-40s. So let's see what we could do. If this doesn't gap up, we're already up a good amount, so we'll go ahead and take what's on the table, and that's what's nice about these plays. When you snipe them the right way, this trade is now completely risk-free, virtually. Next one on the list. This is a huge first screen day. And this is PASO, P-A-S-O. So you can see this one had massive volume today. And just had a huge spike in the morning after they came out with news. And they said that they plan to increase the authorized shares, which really no significant news. There was no reason for this to really take that morning spike, but it happened. And that's what you gotta love about these OTC plays. there's volatility all the time. You know, if it is in the news, then sometimes volume will do it. And that's what happened here. The volume pushed this one, and actually in its morning push, it came all the way above that multi-month resistance of 0.0805, and it just pushed. It's going to the 1 day, 1 minute. Look at this. For 15 straight minutes, we get these 15 straight green candles going all the way down from the 5s here to push past that multi-month resistance of 8, and then top out later on early in the morning at 9.4. What an amazing gain. That is almost 100%. If you grab this one at the beginning of the day, that is 100%. So that is what's so awesome about these stocks. The volatility is always there. Every single day there's new ones. And now that this one made its move, if you're not in it, you don't have to be upset, because we actually got a plan for it tomorrow. We do think it's very crowded today, and we think the profit takers are going to come early tomorrow. So for PASO, for us, we are looking for a panic dip buy tomorrow morning. We'll be eyeing it down to see if the sellers could come in at the open. And if they do come in, this did make some nice supports today. We do like the support down here at 8.6. And then we like the support here at 7.5. Those are key support spots. And as you can see, it also made a double bottom down here at 7. So those are key spots if this does dip early tomorrow. PASO has a history of big morning dips after the first green day. So keep an eye on this one with those key support spots, and let's see what we could get. In the next play, GLDLF. This is actually a gold OTC stock. And this one is on our list because it made a new 52-week high. And the last one this time made a new 52-week high. It spiked for 4 straight days, spiking up 50% on its run-up. This is going to be short and sweet overview because this is a gold stock, so it really moves with gold. But gold has been hot lately with such volatility in the market. You've seen gold make new highs recently, and that's really when this one broke out. So since this one spiked over its 52-week highs today and it held support above it, we do like those strong signs. So we'll just be keeping an eye here, you know, just watching it. A brand new one for you guys. Add it to your watch list. And whenever gold has significant news, you can pop into this one and be able to play a lower priced OTC stock and be able to take advantage of bigger moves. Let's see, it had good support today. And last but not least, let's get into an exciting one. We always like to have one wildcard pick of the night. And our wildcard pick tonight is AXXA, the stock that a lot of people in the chat took advantage of this morning. First things first, it dipped this morning, but it held the morning dip. And after the morning dip, it never made another low and pushed all the way up to make a new 52-week high. And it pushed all the way from 3-4 breakout, a whole nother penny to 4-4. So very impressive legs here on AXXA. However, this is day 4 of its run-up from 0.012, from a penny all the way down there. And this one topped at 0.04, so 400% plus in 4 straight days. And it hasn't had any significant news in the past couple days. So for this one, our wildcard pick of the night, we are actually looking for a panic dip buy. It's starting to look overextended. We would not chase this one. However, we do think a pretty good pullback is coming. The dip may not happen tomorrow if this does hold green. You know, it closed green today. But we do think the dip is coming in this week. So this one is one to watch. Again, AXXA, just amazing volatility. That is why we love this market. And we want to show more people this market because we think anyone could do it with enough dedication and the right training. You know, you see us, we're normal people, and we did it. It did take a team, and it did take some work, but we got the team for you guys. If you are new, check us out at www.thestocksnipers.com. For our members, we got Webinar Wednesday tomorrow. We're going to go over an $8,000 month of August. So we're excited to dive into that tomorrow. And then be able to close out this play tomorrow in NWBO. We're up, so hopefully, ideally, it gets that gap up, like we said in the watch list, and we can take advantage of it in the chat tomorrow morning. So much love, my sniper team. I'll see everyone else back here next Tuesday night. See you guys.